Did you know that artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a futuristic concept, but a powerful force already shaping our lives? From the way we shop online to life-saving innovations in healthcare, AI is changing everything. But what exactly is AI, and how does it impact our daily lives? Let's dive into the mind-blowing power of AI and explore how it's revolutionizing our world. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines or systems that simulate human intelligence. Imagine a computer that can learn, think, and make decisions, almost like a human brain. In fact, AI encompasses several key areas: machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These technologies allow machines to improve their performance over time by learning from data. But what does this really mean for us? AI in our daily lives. AI is already a part of our everyday routines, often without us even realizing it. Ever used Siri or Alexa? These voice assistants can understand natural language and help with tasks like setting reminders or playing music. Or think about those recommendations you get on Netflix or YouTube. Suggested for you content based on your past behavior. That's AI analyzing your preferences to make personalized suggestions. And it doesn't stop there. AI is changing industries like healthcare, retail, and finance by streamlining processes and offering new personalized experiences. AI in healthcare, saving lives. One of the most exciting areas where AI is making a massive impact is healthcare. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, sometimes even more accurately than humans. For example, AI systems can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect early signs of cancer or other health conditions. And it doesn't stop there. AI is accelerating drug discovery, leading to faster development of life-saving treatments. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AI was used to model virus spread and help with vaccine research, saving countless lives. AI in the workforce, revolutionizing jobs. AI is also transforming the workforce. In industries like manufacturing, customer service, and even finance, AI is automating repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on higher-level work. For example, in factories, robots powered by AI are assembling products, while chatbots handle routine customer inquiries online. But what does this mean for jobs? While some jobs may be displaced by AI, it's also creating new opportunities in fields like AI programming, data science, and robotics. Workers will need to adapt, and that means retraining and upskilling to thrive in the AI era. AI and autonomous vehicles. Driving the future. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves. Well, that future is already here. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are testing AI-powered autonomous vehicles that can navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions. While there are still challenges ahead, such as safety and regulation, self-driving cars have the potential to drastically reduce traffic accidents and make transportation more efficient. This isn't just sci-fi, it's happening now. AI in creativity, art, music, and writing. AI isn't just for tasks like driving cars or diagnosing diseases. It's also stepping into the creative world. AI algorithms are now capable of creating art, writing music, and even composing poetry. There are AI programs that can generate stunning visual art by learning from thousands of pieces of existing artwork. AI-generated music is becoming more common, with artists using it to create new compositions or even to inspire their work. And in writing, AI tools are helping authors with suggestions, idea generation, and even drafting entire stories. While AI's creativity is impressive, it still relies on humans for guidance and interpretation. AI in entertainment, changing how we experience media. Have you ever played a video game where the world around you seems to adapt to your choices? That's AI at work. In gaming, AI controls non-playable characters, making them react and adapt based on the player's actions, creating a more immersive experience. But AI is also shaping movies and TV shows, from generating special effects to even writing scripts. The entertainment industry is using AI in ways that we could have only dreamed about a few years ago, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. The ethical considerations of AI. Beyond bias and privacy. While AI is incredibly powerful, there are some important ethical concerns we must address. First, there's bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. And if that data reflects historical inequalities, the AI can perpetuate those biases. For example, AI in hiring processes can unintentionally favor one demographic over others. But don't worry, there are solutions. Developers can ensure more diverse datasets and create algorithms designed to detect and reduce bias. Then there's the issue of privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data to function, raising concerns about how that data is used and protected. It's crucial that we develop clear guidelines to safeguard our privacy. But the ethical concerns don't stop there. Autonomous weapons powered by AI are being developed for military use, and the idea of machines making life or death decisions without human oversight is a chilling thought. Furthermore, AI is also being used to manipulate people's opinions through targeted ads and social media algorithms, which can influence everything from consumer behavior to political beliefs. This has serious implications for democracy and individual autonomy. The future of AI, working together, so what's next? The future of AI isn't just about replacing human jobs or automating tasks, it's about collaboration. AI will continue to assist us by handling repetitive tasks, but humans will always be needed for creativity, ethical judgment, and critical thinking. While AI can analyze data and optimize processes, it's up to us to provide the intuition, empathy, and ethical oversight that machines can't replicate. To thrive in this AI-powered world, we'll need to upskill and retrain for new roles in tech, data science, and AI development. As AI continues to evolve, the relationship between humans and machines will become increasingly collaborative, each enhancing the other's abilities. AI is already transforming our world, and its power is only growing. From healthcare to entertainment, autonomous vehicles to creative arts, AI is not just a tool. It's becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we move forward, we must ensure that AI is developed ethically and used responsibly. The future is bright, but it's up to us to guide it. Did you find this exploration of AI's mind-blowing power fascinating? What are your thoughts on AI's role in our future? Let us know in the comments below.